Good morning, everyone. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude and extend my greetings to our esteemed school director, Reverend Father Richard Makayan, our assistant priest, Reverend Father Nelson Cabasisi, and our highly respected school principal, Mrs. Artista Bibiano, for their favorite support and guidance. Also, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all dedicated teachers whose tireless efforts shape the minds and future of our students. To our parents and guardians, thank you for your continued partnership in your children's education. Your presence here today restores the commitment to their success. And to everyone who's here today, thank you very much for your presence. Of course, and most importantly, good morning, students. Because you are the stars of today's program. So welcome to this special day of career guidance, an important step in shaping your future. In the Bakat Parish Academy, we believe that education is not just about acquiring knowledge, it is about building character, strengthening faith, and preparing for a life of purpose. As you embark on this journey of your self-discovery and career exploration, remember that success is not measured solely by achievements, but by the values you uphold and the impact you make with others. Here at IPA, we nurture not only your minds, but also your heart and soul, ensuring that you grow academically, morally, and spiritually. Today, open your minds to a new possibilities. Embrace the guidance of your mentors and trust in the path that God has prepared for you. With faith, perseverance, and the right mindset. Your future is bright and your potential is limitless. So let us celebrate this program with enthusiasm and commitment to discovering the wonderful opportunities that lie ahead. It is be a day of learning, inspiration, and purpose. Welcome, and may God bless your journey.